is about the arriving at platform 1. Please please line up to get on the train and change your seat. Thank you for your cooperation.
不要越过安全牌线，注意安全。带小孩的旅客，请照看好您的小孩，以免走散。旅客们，请不要在站台上奔跑，注意安全，以免发生意外。Ladies and gentlemen, the train number K12 is at platform. Please stand in the line and get off the train orderly. Don't cross the white line and pay attention to your safety. Please take care of your children and not get separated. Dear passengers, please don't run on the platform and pay attention to your safety.
对，我在车上直接有一个差价在就是。